triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle. One angle of one triangle is equal to the one angle of the other triangle. So we take it given in two triangles ABC and triangle DEF. Angle A is equal to angle D. One angle of one triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle. And the sides including these angles are proportional. Included these angles, that means if we talk about the angle A, that means what are the sides are including this angle? So AB, and for that one DE, and for here AC upon DF. These two things are given for you. If one angle of one triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle, and the included sides of one triangle are proportional to included sides of another triangle. That means angle A is equal to angle D is given, and AB upon DE and AC upon DF is given for you. Okay. So, and what we need to prove that? Then after that we need to prove that then two triangles are similar. That means we need to prove that ABC triangle similar to triangle DEF. Okay? Understood what is given and what we need to prove that? So for this one, we do some construction. We do the construction is there. We do the construction. What construction we take it? Take the 2 points P and Q on the side of DE and DF. Which type of? That BP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC, and after that we join PQ. Okay. So let us the construction is here. What is the construction? Take P and Q, 2 points in the sides. What type of sides are there? DE and DF respectively, because I am taking the DE on, P point on DE and Q point on DF. So respectively, which type of DE and DF, take the 2 point DE, take the 2 point, take P and Q 2 points, so take 2 points P and Q on the side of DE and DF respectively, such that which type of we have to take it? Then AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Understood? Okay. So because from 2, what is given here? From 2, then AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is here. From 2 and 3, we replace AB by DP and AC by DQ. So we write it there, DP upon DE is equal to DQ upon DF from 2 and 3. I have taken AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So I am writing it DP upon DE and DQ upon DF. When we write it the DP upon DE and DQ upon DF, that means the sides in proportional. So now in triangle, which triangle? Now I am writing in triangle DEF, what we can get it, suppose the given number is 4. Now in triangle DEF, from 4 in triangle DEF we get it dP upon dE is equal to dQ upon dF. So by the converse of BPT, theorem, basic proportional theorem, what we get it? The PQ parallel to EF. Understood? If any triangle, the side we write it in the equal ratio, equal proportional, then the side is proportional to another side. Okay, PQ parallel to EF. When these two lines are parallel, so angle P is equal to angle E, angle Q is equal to angle F, because they are corresponding angles. Understood? When we get it dP upon dE, dQ upon dF, then these two lines are similar in triangle DEF by the converse of BPT theorem. Then if the lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. We give this name is, equation name is phi. Now in triangle ABC and DPQ, what we are having? AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ by the construction. And what is one more condition is there? Angle A is equal to angle D given in these two triangles. In triangle DQ and in triangle ABC. By the SAS congruent criteria. What we have? SAS congruent criteria, the triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ. Okay? Till here, you all are understood? When I am talking about these two triangles ABC and DPQ, then AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ and angle A is equal to angle D is given for you. So by the SAS congruent criteria, both triangles are congruent. Okay, both triangles are congruent, so corresponding parts are equal. That means A is equal to B, B is equal to P, and angle C is equal to angle Q. These are the by the CP, corresponding parts are equal. Okay. Now, this is the equation number 6. Angle A is equal to DX. Okay. But angle B is equal to P by the CP, and angle P is equal to E we have already taken here when we say that these two lines are parallel. So from 5 and 6. What is it? From 5 and 6. From 5 and 6. Because B is equal to P and P is equal to E. Okay. So angle B is equal to angle E. Similarly, C is equal to Q and C is equal to, and Q is equal to F. So angle C is equal to angle F. And angle A is equal to angle B. When Angle A is equal to D, angle B is equal to E, and angle C is equal to F. We got it. Okay. So now if we see that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, by the AAA similarity criteria, both triangles are similar. Hence proved. Okay. After that, we take it in triangle ABC and triangle, what is it? DEF. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. So by AAA similarity, both triangles, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, and proved. So in example number 7, a girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at the speed of one lamp post is there and walking away. That means here a 90 centimeter girl walking away from the base of lamp post and the speed of 1.2 meter per second and the lamp is 3.6 meter. Okay. Find the length of a shadow after 6 seconds. Here is the girl. Okay. And this type of, if we straightly stand there, then our shadow comes here. Okay. After 4 seconds, suppose the point is what is given in your book, the E. Okay. The lamp post is AB and height of the girl, that is AB, and that point after 4 seconds the shadow will be in the point E. So we need to find out that one. The what is it? Find the length of her shadow. So shadow is here. That DE. That means if we take it, that is to be X meter. Okay. So this is the shadow of this girl after 4 seconds and the speed is given 1.2 meter per second. Okay. Now, so we take it that AB is the length of a lamp post and C is the height of the girl and D is the shadow after 4 seconds. Okay. So now we need to find out the shadow of the girl, that is DE, and we take it. This one is the X meter. Okay. Here is the X meter. Here is also meter. So we have to convert 90 centimeter into meter. So 90 centimeter when it converted into meter, that will come to 0.9 meter. Okay. So DE we need to be find it there. But before that, we need to find it there DD. Okay, because that this girl is after 4 seconds that walked from B to D. Okay, from B to D. This is the line when we walked within the 4 seconds and the speed of the 1.2 meter. How can you find out if the speed and the time is given? The speed is given. What is the speed is there? 1.2 meter and time is there 4 seconds. So the girl is here and walked away in 4 seconds. And the speed is 1.2 meter per second. Then walked from B to D. Anybody have idea how can we find out the BD? The timing is there and the speed is there. How can you find out the BD? That means distance. Distance is equal to what is that? Speed into time. Speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So BD is equal to what is the speed? 1.2 meter and time is 4 seconds. Okay, 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. That means BD is equal to 4.8 meter. 4.8 meter. Okay. Anybody have any doubt? From where I have written there DD is equal to 4.8 meter. Because the girl is here in the lamp post, base of the lamp post, and walked from the lamp post within a 4 seconds, and speed is 1.2 meter is given. Then we easily find it because we know that distance is equal to speed into time. Then we get it. This distance is 4.8 meter. Okay. Now what we need to find out there, this one is to be DE. Okay, so now we take it in triangle. So now in triangle, what is it? ADE. Now in triangle ADE and triangle CDE. Okay, ADE and CDE. This one, small one, and this one, this big one. So because the lamp post and the girl both are standing totally vertically, that means both are 90 degrees. So angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees because the lamp post and the girl is stand vertically straight. Okay, so this is to be 90 degree, and angle E is equal to angle E, common angle, common. So by AA similarity, what is it? Both triangle ABE similar to triangle CDE. Okay. Similar triangles is also comes in the ratios. We write it AB upon DE is equal to BE upon DE is equal to, what is it? AE upon CE. What we are having? AB and CD. So AB upon CD, sorry. AB upon CD. First we take these two, AB upon CD, then last two, BE upon BE, then first and last and first and last, AE upon CE. Okay, so what we are having? The AD, that means length of a lamp post. Height of the lamp post is 3.6. CD is, what is it? The CD 0.9. The height of the girl. BE, what is it? 4.8 meter plus X. We take it in these two only because we find out the value of E. We doesn't use this one. Okay, so we can't use this one. DE is equal to X. Decimal value, but by the decimal, then 9 is a 9 goes up. 4 meter is equal to 4.8 plus X upon X. 4 only we mention here. Now, for the cross multiplication, 4x is equal to 4x is equal to 4.8 plus x. 4x minus x is equal to 4.8. 3x is equal to 4.8. X is equal to 4.8 upon 3. 3 1s are 3 6s are. That means x is equal to 1.6 meter. That means shadow of the girl AA. We are having only the two triangles are equal. Both have the similarity criteria. If you are getting the AAA, it's also otherwise AA only. Okay. So based on the AA, that means angle B is equal to angle D and angle E is equal to angle E common. Then by the AA similarity criteria, both triangles are similar. And there, how can we write it? Then you have to be write it corresponding parts of similar triangles. Corresponding parts of similar triangles, that means sides come in the ratio. Okay. And here is the proper way to write in the ratio. It means AB is equal to CD, BE is equal to DE, and AE is equal to CE. So this type of, but we are having only these two. So after calculation, we are easily get the shadow of the 1.6 meter. Okay. In the figure is given the CM and RM, the two triangles are there. What is it? ABC. If you want to be draw it in the correct manner, that is in the opposite side, that is also be correct. No problem. Okay, this question I am going to explain example number 8, and I am not writing the given and to prove. I hope that is easy for you. You all can be writing. PQR and this. And so what is given for you? The given is the CM and RN respectively the median of the triangle. The CM is the median of triangle ABC and RN is the median of the what is it? Triangle PQR. If that is to be median, that means these two sides are equal. Median divide that particular side and angles also be in two equal parts. So write it there that CM and RN are the two medians of the triangle ABC and what is it? PQR. Okay. And the given is triangle ABC. That is all in the part of given. Triangle ABC similar to triangle what is given? PQR. When the two triangles are similar, then always we are having the corresponding angles are equal. And sides are equal proportion. That means AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR. These two things also we have given. And CM and RN are the median. That means AM is equal to BM or QM is equal to PM. Okay. These things are to be given. Now the three things are here to be proved. That one. What is here? First one is triangle AMC similar to triangle PNR. Now AMC triangle, this one, and PNR. PNR. And these two triangles, you from one actually what you are having from two. From two, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. But AC and PR we need not to be used here. So we write it this way. Then replacement of AB, I am writing 2AM, and replacement of PQ, I needed this one 2PN. That means AM upon PN, BC upon QR. Okay, and the angle A is equal to AMC. That means we need to side it AB upon PR. AB upon RP. AB upon RP. ABC AB upon PQ and AC upon PR. AC upon PR. So replacement of AB upon PQ, we take it twice of AM upon twice of PM. And AC upon PR we are having. So AM upon PN is equal to AC upon PR, and we having the angle A is equal to angle P. So by the SAS, both triangles are similar. Understood? Actually, this triangle in that type, that AC upon PR we needed and AB upon PQ we are needed. Okay, AB upon PQ. So replacement of AB upon PQ we write it twice of AM, and twice of Pn. So AC upon PR as it is, AM upon Pn is equal to AC upon PR, and angle A is equal to angle P is given. So by the SAS, when the SAS similar criteria, both triangles are similar, that we need to be prove that. Okay, by the SAS. And similar criteria actually we are using there. What is it? The corresponding parts of similar criteria. Now let's see the third part first, because that is the similar to the first and third, both are the similar. Because in the first part we write this type of triangle, and for the proving the third part we write this one. That means which two triangle we needed there? This one. BCM, and what is it? This one, RQN. We have to be proved that CMB and RNQ. Okay. R and Q. These two triangles we need to be taken. Anybody can give it? It's change in AB upon PQ. The replacement of AB we write it twice of AM, and to PQ we write it twice of NQ. Here we needed AM upon PN, but in this time we needed MB upon NQ. So 2 cut by the 2. So BC upon QR from 1, and AB upon PQ is this time these two we added. And in the first we take it the first two. Okay. So BC upon QR is equal to AM upon NQ, and the angle B and Q already given. Angle B is equal to angle Q have already given. So by the SAS, both triangles are similar. Okay. So in this CM upon RN is equal to AB upon PQ. Okay. So when we prove that the first one, prove that first triangle A and C similar to triangle P and R. So by the corresponding parts of similar criteria, we are having here AM upon PN is equal to MC upon NR is equal to AC upon PM. Okay. So we take it from prove that one. Prove that one. Prove that one. Okay. So we take it in these two. But what is the condition is given? From the starting, we are having the full triangle of ABC is similar to triangle. What is it? In similar to triangle. What is it? PQR. That means we are having AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. When you see that AC upon PR here and AC upon PR here. Okay. So we easily write it. What is it? AB, when the right hand side are equal, then left hand side are also equal. So MC upon NR is equal to AB upon PQ. This one we got it from the one. From one we proved it. These two triangles are similar. Then corresponding parts is also equal in two similar triangles. And from one, that one in two triangles are similar, ABC and PQR. So AC upon PR is equal to MC upon NR, and AB upon PQ is also equal A upon PR. So these two also be equal. So these